Welcome, Chris Hansen Barbecue. Today, I received my Uncle Steve sample package. Seems like every other person in the barbecue world uses Uncle Steve's. I'm going to give it a shot. What do I got to lose? So anyway, here we go. All right, guys. So got a bunch of dyes here. So I'm going to try out the competition bird shake. I'm going to put a nice coating on everything. Once I coat it, just gonna roll it up again. So, yeah, I'm definitely excited about this. Been seeing and hearing a lot of good things about it. So, let's give it a try. All right, so I got the chicken all coated. It's just gonna hang out until it's ready to go on. That's it. Let those nice flavors absorb into the meat. All right, so right here I got some lamb shoulder chops. Guess they're just slices of the shoulder here. Anyway, wasn't too sure what to go with out of the sample package for these lamb chops. So I figured I would try out this Lucky Shake. Seems pretty cool. So put a nice little coating on it. That's it. This has some nice coarse pieces of salt and pepper I could see. That's it. I'm just gonna let this chill out the same way as the chicken, until it's ready to go on. Cooking on Weber today. Gonna get that fired up. We'll be eating. All right, guys. So we're down here in my man cave. If you don't know, this is where I do most of my cooks, or prep at least. I want to give some shout outs today. But before I do that, I want to say I'm sorry if I haven't been on top of the game when it comes to answering people. I answer all my comments. I appreciate them. Thank you very much. Watching videos. I've been super busy at work and a lot of stuff going on in my life. So apologies. I'm definitely going to be doing a lot of catch up, especially today because I'm off. But anyway, first I want to give a shout out to the whole barbecue community that uses Uncle Steve's. I'm looking forward to it. If it tastes bad, it's on you guys. But I'm sure it's going to be awesome. Secondly, we're going to do a shout out to Cocktail Tony. Great channel. This guy always makes some... Alright, I forgot to turn my ringer off. That's the ring alarm going off. Anyway, Cocktail Tony. He's always making great cocktails. Great channel. He always makes me laugh. He's a real gentleman. So, with that being said, I'm going to make a cocktail for you, Tony. But this is one of my favorites. First things first, though. Look at this cup. This is a pretty cool cup. I got this from my goddaughter. It says Godfather on it. Pretty cool. It has her birth year in it. So first we're going to get a cup. Fill with ice. We're going to roll with some Tennessee whiskey. Now I'm a Jack Daniels guy. I love my Jack Daniels. However, I'm not using Jack Daniels today. I am using this. This is the Kirkland brand Tennessee whiskey. Let me tell you something. This is really, really good. So if you like Jack Daniels, definitely try out the Costco brand because this tastes. I was pleasantly. I got this as a gift. Right? Look at this. It's almost all gone. Well, anyway, so we got our nice cup with ice. Just gonna pour a little Jack Daniels in. I'm sorry, little Tennessee whiskey rather. Let's do a little bit. Bring it up to like 3/4, something like that. Then we're gonna roll with some ginger beer. I don't know if you guys have had ginger beer. There's some good stuff. I only use it for this drink. Now this is called a Tennessee Mule. Now, I'm going to say this is my version of the Tennessee meal because I'm also going to say NFL. No F in line. You're supposed to put a line in it. But anyway, Tennessee mule, it calls for like two shots worth of whiskey. We want a little heavier because that's how, that's how I like it. You got the little ginger beer in there for flavor. It's money, man. It's good. So good. So anyway, let's get that kettle fired up. All right, guys, we're doing some driveway barbecue today. My deck is undergoing some maintenance, so got to do this. I apologize for the wind. I apologize for the street traffic, but here we go. We're using this fire cup today by Tiger McCool Barbecue Company. Good stuff. I like it. It lights right up. Pleasant smell to it also. So I'm just gonna light this up. All right, so that's the test today, because today it's really windy. So if that lights up, no problem. Tiger McCool, you got me. All right, guys. I also got these chops. Now, I forgot all about these chops. I have them in my fridge. They got to get cooked up. That's all right. I'll probably cook them up, eat them for some lunch for work tomorrow. But anyway, we're going to use the pig shake, competition pig shake. I'm happy because I get to try this out now. Just going to do a nice little coat right here. I'm just shaking a little weird because this is a little clumpy, this shake. Maybe it's just this bottle, I don't know. Maybe it's supposed to be like that. Like I said, it has some sugar in there. It's coming out a little funny. But we're going to try this out too. Alright guys, put this on like 10 minutes ago. Right now at this time. Let's see, along with this, the duck fat. I'm going to spray it on, just to crisp up that skin a little bit. That's it. You can use this, any kind of oil, olive oil, canola oil, butter spray. It's going to give it a nice little crisp. Very good, very good. All right, guys. So we got the chops off, got the lamb, got the pork. We're gonna give it a try, test it out, see what it's like. We'll go for that lamb first. I love me some good lamb, man. Some good stuff. All right, it's nice color inside. Oh yeah. Definitely a good rub right there. I like it. I like it. Go for the chop. All right. Wow. Wow. I definitely gotta say, that competition pork is really good. Wow. Alright guys, so we're gonna give this a try. This chicken, I did put Sweet Baby Ray's on. We're gonna give it a try, man. It smells delicious. Let's try it out. Wow. Rubber is good. Oh, yeah. That's some good stuff there, right? Great, guys. Thanks for watching. Enjoy barbecuing. Have a great day.